How to download HDO Box on Android TV. So there are two things that you can try to do on your end, whether through your Google Play Store directly from your Android TV's App Store or via the browser that you have on Android TV. But if you try to do this both, make sure that there are some parts of the settings that you need to allow first. Just head directly to your Android TV settings and then just simply allow all unknown sources so that you will automatically install this without any prompts. Just head over directly to Google Play Store that you have from Android TV and then just search for HDO Plus. Now if you're going to be downloading it via the browser that you have on your smart TV, then just simply search for hdboxplus.com, which will actually look something like this. So whether to choose from 2.1 or 1.6, both of these links will actually work. Now once you have downloaded it, just simply install it and you will not have any problems or any prompts that you will see on your screen. That's how you download HDO Box on Android TV.